world to the land of the free.
You don't mind contribute?
No.
Sorry. Here, no more traditional.
No mas. You can charge?
Wala na.
No more.
Wala na.
No mas na naman. That's 8. 3, 6, 7. Flores. Ba? Flores. You. Oh, I don't like numbers that are low.
Okay.
Even when I play roulette. Flores. Flores.
What the heck? Black me. Not just
Ray.
Black and
Oh,
red.
red.
Fucking
red.
shit.
Oh, he has red.
No, he has red. The black is still has.
High,
has 6. 6. Not Flores anymore. Oh my god. This
One
is
there.
hard. Hold on. Let me flip.
High, low.
Oh, I can't figure it out.
Oh, then it's 3.
Yeah. It's, I remember, 9 and 5. Hindi pa naman 5.
Usually, pag nahirapan ka, 5 lang.
Yun nga eh.
Sa kabila.
Oh, yun yung sa kabila.
Yeah, try to see.
Torres mana muna.
No, dyan.
Oh, no, dyan nga. Yeah, that's why it disappeared. God dang it, guys.
No, dito ako bumunod.
Yeah,
Dito
yeah.
dito. Kasi hindi ko.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, Jeffrey. You're so crazy.
Why?
He said that their AC is on. Tita Met is really not gonna be able to go to sleep. But
She
they
doesn't
don't.
like the coat?
No, she's
Fine
worried
balls.
about the bills.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Race.
No, but it's hot at their thing. They have to turn it on. Just a little bit and then just like anong tawag doon yung turn it
Auto
off.
lang nila.
Yeah, yung yung
Thermostat yung
yeah, yon.
Automatic.
Yeah, aha.
Para sa bahay.
iset lang nila yung thermostat yung feel niya na.
Wow. Sabi na dito.
Tubos.
Tang!
No, luhas. I can say luhas that. What the hell are you gonna do? Chow it now with 7, 8?
Maybe.
Oh, but you may have a 6 and then you'll mess up your cards.
Is that true?
Come on, Levi.
Oh, go ahead, just show me what I'm gonna bunot, fool. don't make me pinta. It's the only thing oh, thank God. And now it's you. I can't even pinta anymore. Flores. I can't even pinta anymore. See, I would have had a joker with a 5 card.
Oh, it's me. You saw it?
Yeah, Flores.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
I didn't see. You only
Kasi
saw.
you, yeah. You ruined my only, the only thing I like to do. When you showed it to me.
Tang.
Oh, pretty bird. Pag-isipan ko yan, nak. Ikaw pala may kailangan. Oh! Putangin na ito kasi tatapo ko. Sabi ko, tanga ka Sharon, ba't mo gagawin
Oy,
yun?
oy, oy.
Eh, 1, 2,
Kakaturo ko
3.
lang.
Puro mo,
Nakapag-five
kaya
ko,
nagkamali ako.
Puro ko.
You know, I almost threw this shit.
I did that because I'm before the 5th. That's why I did this.
What do you need?
This 5 and 7.
I don't have 5.
5 and 7 ba?
7 stick, 5 balls.
Here,
5 balls.
Ano secret mo yun?
7 ka.
Oh,
Oh, thank
7.
God, I don't need it. I almost threw this. I'm so stupid.
Did I declare this?
No,
Did I
you're paid. Yeah, we did
I know,
7,
fans. I know you saw that. I
I
know.
did 7, 8, but
I
then
came to
only
my
did the
senses.
7, 8, 9 because I was
I came to my senses, fans. Don't judge me.
so you came to your senses.
Yeah, I was gonna throw the two balls and I'm like,
I've seen
what
the
the fuck am I
video.
doing? Go watch it, look. You'll see it. You'll be like, what the fuck is Tita Cher gonna do with her life? Almost messed me up, huh?
Cool.
Me.
Sunflower cards.
Wow, you're so fast.
I want to make sure I had one.
Ay, yan.
Ay.
Eh,
Oh my God, what am I gonna do? Oh my God, guys. What are all this stuff going on with my
wala yun na. Got more loot? Ano yung doon ako?
One.
Me. Ay, tingnan mo. Ayoko na. Wala na. Busik na yan.
No mas, no mas. Joker.
8, 16. What the heck happened?
Wala na
It's
kayo.
only you to do.
Ikaw na lang eh. Walang bumalik. Ni isa
No more
bumalik. Ang
joker.
pangit pa. Para luman.
Request or not?
Wala eh.
Nine.
Oh
Nine
shoot, I was just thinking about that.
The
But
9
I was
balls,
just thinking it.
Nine.
8 balls.
I think I needed that. Maybe. Oh, 9 cards.
One ball.
One ball.
When you do that,
Don't you hate it when you're manifesting it and you're like, oh, they're gonna do it
I
to me.
know.
They're gonna throw it.
nine.
Why you do that? I just throw that. Oh, sabi niya eh. I knew it!
Talking about
Fudge.
manifesting.
Dang it. Ay.
Oy. 2 cards.
I was just thinking about it in my head. What if this happens? And it did happen.
6 sticks.
Okay.
That's not what I envisioned in my head.
7.
No, I don't
I
need
would screw
7.
this.
No, I don't need it. So me, flower, 7. No, I won't throw. Nothing. One joker.
I have a doctor.
Yeah.
Ask for bears for no one heart.
But Tito Julius from my 9 sticks, I have 7, 8.
Oh, puro this. 7-8 din ako.
Sticks?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ilan yan?
8. Kala ko nga,
Makakasagasa. Hindi, pero hindi pa ako puto.
kabunot ako 3 cards. Kailangan ko na. Or
Nabulot ko 5 balls. I was like, dang it. Thank you very much, sir. I didn't even realize I'm Mano. So thank you. What is this? Guard. Or
Okay, who got
Nobody.
red and blue. Only need 3 more red and ay,
anak ng pusang dalawa lang bumalik. Okay lang din. I guess.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh, not loaded.
No, try.
Oh, we didn't even realize it, huh? Oh, I'm Mano? I was
No,
gonna
no,
request.
go
No, here's
No,
the
here.
Flores. Here's the Flores. Put
Oh.
that back.
Me?
No.
Hmm?
You're by yourself.
So,
Nothing din. I was gonna request for myself. I forgot.
eh, wala na. Wala na.
Magre-request sa akin.
Hindi, di
Oh.
pita niya, tapos request kaya lang. Tapos yung
Ayoko na. Tama ba? Oh, sticks. Wait. Oh my God. I think it's 5.
Wala pa naman ako.
Tama. Galing ko, Lucy. Tayo. Oh, dito muna tayo.
Ako naman stick. 9 car.
Nine balls.
Doon.
Yeah.
Walang sticks si Kuya. Tapos matapunan nga. Matapunan ng
Wala,
sticks.
wala. Naging masyado eh.
You lying piece of rock. You lie so much.
Birdie. Seven sticks.
Kaya di wow.
Ay, hindi ko maparisan. Wait lang na yan. Go ahead, go ahead.
Joker. Putang ina hindi Joker.
Bigla na isip ko sa'yo.
Kuya, ang gusto nyo?
That one.
Sticks.
This is tough.
Something close to 4 sticks, you know?
Oh,
What is that?
6 car.
6D card. Oy, 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 oh, 7 card.
Use.
Oy, 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 oy.
Eight.
Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy.
Hmm?
7 ball. Wait na. Ay, naku. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Sige. Sige, sige na, sige na.
Sige na.
Ay,
Sige na. Lunod?
bunot.
Oo.
Eskalera. Alam mo, di ka tumigil. Hindi mo ako narinig. Sabi ko, use. Eh, binaba mo na. Ito todas ko sanang di eskalera. Eh, sabi ko, okay, maybe not meant to be. Kasi,
Akala ko nagtago ako na.
no, ayan. Kasi I was like, use. Tapos bigla mong binaba. Okay, baka hindi kami meant to be.
That was your son.
I know. Well, when he, yeah. So I'm like, okay.
Six.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Here.
5. Pito more, no? Kasi I said, use. Okay, maybe. Just go ahead and escalera eh. Iwan. Dalawa kasi joker ko eh. Tapos kalagkad isa. May 4 sticks was kalagkad. Ikaw kay Charles 6.
6.
At use. Okay. Huwag mo na ikaw nas.
Akala ko, ano, sabi mo ako na.
Agad use. Okay. Kasi 147 was my puro sticks.
More.
Go ahead.
Okay, open it up.
Ng putang dako.
Eh, not to be.
Sarap lang.
My turn.
Wala na ako.
No flower.
Oh, no, it's not. Yeah. I thought it was.
No, it wasn't.
You saw?
I just knew, you know. You know, the feeling.
What is that feeling? Huh?
Eh, na.
The
Sa
feeling
flowers
is
picture.
when you
Or
have no
a-
flowers.
When
Ay, wait.
Only one.
It's how much? No. One.
6. 6.
O, pwede mag-request?
Request.
Teka lang ha. Wait lang Kuya Charles, hold on. Okay yan.
This one.
Wait.
I don't need that, take that back.
Ay,
Did you
hindi
request?
na
Wala?
yung balls niya. Pero
But
balls.
this
Okay,
is
forget
college
it.
balls still.
Yeah, forget it.
Forget it. Come back.
Forget it. Just
Oh
forget
yeah, definitely forget it. Turn around. I don't care.
Forget it. Forget it.
9 balls.
Forget.
Forget it. I'm gonna talk.
Can you throw it a little bit later?
No, now.
When I puro.
5, 6.
Pong. So Luis won't tapon me the fucking 9 balls.
That was it.
I'll just keep
That was
holding
my
that
top
shit.
one. Hello.
Okay.
This was my joke request.
Oh yeah, that's right,
Super.
that's right.
7.
Don't worry, I'll regret ponging early again.
2 balls.
Ay, pong low, sorry. Oh, my request. Save the joker.
Birdie.
I don't have any money. You're safe.
Yeah, you're brutal now.
No, not yet.
This one.
You'll see on the video, not yet. But it's safe before the break.
Yeah.
Yeah, you lose
Birdie.
sight of your circle. That's what I'll do. Here we go. 1 car, 9 car. 9 balls, 7 balls. Oh, 9 balls, guys.
Said Thursday.
Ay, puta, gising.
Oh, that's
Oh my God. Can I take this back? 3 balls.
That's what you get. You said it yourself.
I already know you're gonna be throwing.
Too early.
7 balls next.
Or 9 car or 1 car.
Wow.
Oh, it's not about
Come on.
1 car. The 1 9 car, yeah, I
now
saw
you
that.
know I'm not puro.
Yeah, but I don't need any of them.
Too bad. That was
That's
your
the problem.
decision to
The ball.
phone early.
9 car.
No, there's one.
Don't need it.
Needed to end and that's what you got. The C and the W is there.
The end.
Yeah, you got it.
You have 3 of them?
2.
6 sticks.
Need that.
Oh, here we go. 9 car next.
Wrong.
Aba, 7 muna. That's right. Oh my God! Can I get this?
That's what you
Putang
get.
ina.
That's what you get.
2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, blue.
Karma comes around the corner.
What the heck was that? No, but you'll see, there was nowhere I could have broken.
Ginawa ko yun. Blue. 3 car.
Uy.
Lapat.
Pag kinuha ko yan, hindi.
So that's
3 car, right? Support the pick nga yan, 2 joker.
Kumuha ka ako.
Papala, bisira na ako. Hindi
Umo.
ka panganak kasi.
see, this is what you get.
Nga, ang ganyan ko pong. Ang ganyan puro. Two six or 2 car, I'm puro. Yeah, my puro is 3 car or 6 car.
Ako ano, 4, 7,
Car,
2, 3.
2 na sa akin. Dalawang
na,
two.
before the 15, wala ko.
Dalawang ano. Kaya I didn't need your 9 because my car is buo 7, 8, 9. I was hoping to get a 1 car
I did it because of you.
because I kept ponging. Imagine that was before the 5th. Tito Julius must have been happy when I
Yeah.
kept ponging.
She said, do it more, do it more. Please.
Very may puro na yung puro
What
car.
is the pack, man? And here I am thinking, oh yeah, I'm just gonna keep ponging.
Oh my God.
Because
It's so safe.
I have pretty good cards. Yeah.
You get loot?
No?
No, not yet. Not yet. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6.
I'm only good. Yeah, 3 only. So hindi rin pala ako makakapong ng 2 car kasi totodas ka.
Ang bara ko, wala lang ako.
Medyo medyo balit.
Yun lang ang kailangan
Pero
mo.
6 pairs na
Yeah.
dalawa joker ko.
Oh, hindi. Maganda yun.
I know,
Kasi
kaya-
may dikit doon. Yun na lahat yung ano mo eh.
Kaya nung nagtapon siya ng 3 cards, taga-outlet, pwede ko ito.
Yan, ano lang ang tawag. Family planning.
Hindi rin pala.
Hindi makapong eh.
Hindi rin pala ako makakaano. 2 sticks at saka 2 car ang kailangan ko.
Mag-back ako dun sa...
Yun lang. And then 3
Oh,
car.
shoot, Charles, why you take that?
Oh,
No more.
No more for me.
Please,
no more.
Wala na.
Tito Julius was waiting for your
Bubingin
one.
ka, tumatay si Jopes.
Itatay.
Try to, no, not tayo-tayo fully, but like, yung, ano niya, ang tawag din yung try to sit up. I think. Nag-exercise, parang gano'n.
Saan umulong kami?
Wow,
I didn't know.
you
You
couldn't
asked
even
for a
move.
request?
I know.
Oh my God.
Nope.
So rude.
Nope. Not what after what she did last game.
So rude.
This was all my request. Oh. But
So
none.
rude.
Thank you very much.
Let me see again. Let me see
158.
which one you need.
Kailangan yung 9 balls kanina, Ray.
Hindi.
Hindi ko maipaikot. Hindi ko
Wala akong nine.
mabasura.
What's that, Ray? This
3
guy.
sticks.
You couldn't give me wow, family planning. Come on. This is
Boom.
not just good cards. Ano na din sila?
Ganyan yan sila.
Birdie.
Nag-iinom na pinili. Tukar.
I needed that earlier to pull.
Lawad.
2 car. 2 car. 2 car and 2 sticks. And then I'll puro. My puro is 3 car and 6 car.
One.
Earlier. That was last game, man.
Did we throw that earlier when you showed
Yeah,
it?
diba? Tito Julius, yep, because I saw his cards.
If that's the first throw that you did, buddy, you're dead.
I didn't.
Before the-
Purposely.
Yeah.
8 balls.
One second. One second. One second.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
second.
Wow, that's before the pin. You were waiting for that.
Wait, what? It's right there.
Yeah.
Dang it.
What was it? 8 balls?
8 balls.
Nari pa na po nito.
Ay, wala. That was really my panapon.
Yeah, mine too.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Then,
Oh, you before the fifth, huh? I'm not gonna pong it.
oh, antayin mo si Charles. Panapon ni Charles.
No.
Kuya Charles showed it.
No.
I'll
Go
show
ahead,
you.
Charles.
Go.
Go ahead,
I'll
Charles.
show you what I have. I'm not before the fifth.
No, I
Oh
didn't want
my
it to come back
God.
to you. Because you're before the 5th. And Kuya Charles, wow, we didn't go yet there.
No, hindi na. May nabulat.
Lima na yan, di ba? Anim?
6.
So, 6.
Or six.
Safe.
Yup, safe.
It was safe. Look, I'll show you the choice.
I'm gonna let you know that.
I'm not told us. I need one more pong.
Then why did you say it? You can't
So
pong.
when you get it?
Liar, you cannot pong.
Yeah, he had 2 8s.
Should have waited.
I was,
Wow.
Secret.
I was about to pong that. What do you mean you're about to pong?
I know, GFG showed 2 8.
Hindi.
Yes, to 8. Yeah.
Pong. Yeah.
I'm like, Teresa Julius. I don't need to.
But I just want to.
But should I respect the bunot?
That is gonna be my turn now.
This is gonna be a tough crowd, guys.
That will be my turn now.
I have no choice. I mean, it is what it is. 9 car.
Pong.
Wow.
Only, Pong, only.
Only? Only? Then why'd you grab the 8 early?
I know.
You made us think you were todas.
Pwede, I could have told us.
I
Nice,
was.
puro.
I was.
Oh.
You was
Come on,
told us.
Levy.
Yeah, we told us on the 8 ball.
I was holding on to that forever.
I'll throw one.
I don't care anymore what you do.
I throw one. I'll throw
No, I'll throw you the one that's the other one. The 5.
I'm gonna let you told us with the 8 ball.
Not when he threw the 6. I told him I was gonna throw the 5. Ay, Lou.
Yeah, you never know. Yeah, 7, 8, and 7, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Mm.
You're like, I come on, throw it.
Shit! Tang ina, I made a mistake on this. Oh?
Oh, shit.
Ah, Lucy.
That's on you. Don't blame me.
I got excited.
I can tell.
Mali, boy.
You have the rest?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Mali, dapat 4, 5, 6 ang chow.
Yeah.
Hindi. Oh, yeah.
Why you had 4, 5, 6
Parang
though?
escalera.
No, you gave me the 4.
Yeah.
I could have done this and threw 3.
Oh.
Nice sticks.
But I got to them excited. What the heck? Ay kaladkad sa 5 balls.
5 balls. Oh, puro na kaya.
I thought I was. I thought I
Kasi,
was.
no, kaya,
Because I had the
Oh,
6,
you would've
7,
bunot.
8, but no, I wasn't.
You were bunot.
ano yun?
I don't care.
Ano ko lang.
See, if not Lou, I would have
Eight
told us.
Your fault.
I would have told us. Ano?
Secret
See,
mo, 8
what?
sticks?
4,
Oh,
5,
that's
6.
shit.
You don't throw it.
Oh.
No, I could have.
4, 5.
Ano? I would have
Oh, I
thrown the
had
7. I would have been
3,
kaladkad of the 7.
Yun.
Dang it, I made a mistake on that one. Lou. I got too
With the 4
excited.
sticks, you got to excited.
It should have been 4, 5, 6. I would have told us with a 9 stick kaladkad. Kalera.
Hindi ka, kalag 2 kasi. Tapos naka 2-3 kasi yun. Eh,
Hawak ko 5. I didn't want to throw the 5.
Kahapon nung ano.
5, 5, 6. Because at 6, it
Seven.
only would have been 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's would have been
That was your only photo? Yeah, broken though.
No, no, but that's what.
Yeah, because we're waiting.
So don't bother it. Don't bother it. Instead that it gets good. Pwede sa share.
yours than me.
Now you got it. Right?
Ano ginawa dyan ko? Ha?
Kainan lang daw ng tubig.
Eh, nasa view.
Oh, shooting with Flores.
You only have to look.
Here, right there.
Your turn, Luke.
My turn.
Use the and one also.
Sorry.
Isa pa.
Oh, wala na.
Me. I'm not me. No man.
Kaya mga tubig ko.
Baka alam ko yun. 11. Sorry.
Libin.
Request.
Taga lang.
Ay, naku.
Layo.
Wait, wait, wait.
No, it's close.
Ah,
got it.
the other one. The
Seven
one.
balls?
The other one.
Seven
6
balls.
sticks.
Oh, shit. Got it.
Got it from my mama. Hindi ba pwede yung 7 balls na?
Pinagbigyan na yung request. Grabe na to.
Alam mo kasi minsan yung nilalagay ko, hindi naman siya pang-anoon.
Ay, lang gusto.
Alam niyo yun? Putang ina.
Panganggulo lang. Okay, guys. Okay, 5 sticks.
Wow.
7 sticks.
Ilang beses na rin tayong umihindi.
Nine card room.
Wala. Are you
Tama.
sure?
Nine stick.
Wait lang, use, wait. Wait lang, use.
Ay, akala ko yun. Okay. Wait.
Ah! Bobo ko. Sige, use. Tangina na sira.
Sigurado na
Hindi,
yan.
sure. Mali.
Don't worry, I got you. 9 car.
Safe joke, huh?
No, after the fifth, but what are you talking about?
So, oh yeah, sorry, just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, shit.
Decision na.
Go on, boy. 1.
Ay, puta.
Talaga. Naloko talaga. Papanoorin ko nga yung video na yun.
Bakit? Tignan nyo ha, tinapo ko na yung kara. Bobo talaga. Tapos biglang tapo ni Julius. Yeah, 9 balls.
Yeah,
Tapos
yeah.
biglang tapo ni Julius 9 car. My goodness.
Uy. Wala eh.
Mali. Wala, panindigan na to, fans.
8 sticks.
Amo siya.
Na 7 na yan. Tinapon na yung dalawang 7 eh.
Wala.
Panindigan na, fans.
Tinapon na yung 7. Wala ako nga. Tinapon dito Julius. Tinapon dito. Tinapon sa akin.
Hindi, oh. Ayan, oh.
Oh.
Nothing.
just...
See? Dapat ano na, oh. Oh my God. Boga. Ay, fans, why didn't you tell me?
My friends.
Mali, dapat ito ang pinakawalan ko. Oh my
I
God.
think so.
Yup, mali ako. Dapat
Mhm.
yun ang pinakawalan
Yup.
ko. Alam ko na. Oh, 3-6. Para either or.
Sus. Ginawa ko. 9 card.
Oh, see?
Ano pang-apat yung bunot mo?
Hindi. Ay, ga. I made a mistake, fans. I made a mistake, fans. I made a mistake.
6 car.
I made a mistake, fans. I made a mistake with this, fans. Mali.
4 balls.
Sumodas ka na kanina pa. Joker na lang. Oh my God.
Not joke.
5 car. Yan ang dapat na kanina ka pa pinakawalan. Mali. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was gonna happen. Mali.
Oh, yan na. 2 sticks.
Mali.
9 sticks.
No, tingnan mo siya! Putang ina. Oh my God, Sharon kasi.
Shoot.
I'm so depressed, guys. Oh, but fans, you probably would have done the same thing.
True.
I mean, who
Never
would
know,
have thought?
yeah.
Ay,
Oh, tamo siya. Todas na kanina pa.
Oh, hey!
Pinako ko nga yung tab.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Mali ang ginawa ko
Yes,
talaga.
yes,
Dapat ang
yes.
pinakawalan ko yung
Baka
tama.
kasi nakabaliktad.
No, alam ko talaga. Tingnan mo na, ito
I know,
pinakawalan
I know,
ko.
I know.
Mali.
Oo.
Kanina pa sa akin yun. Oh.
Yeah.
There was you. Oh, ito na nga, papatodasin ko na kayo. Snokan. Ay, give up. Max bilang eh. Ano mo?
5 bunot at 5 sticks. Hindi, joke.
Tingnan nyo,
Hindi. Kala ko 6 sticks ka eh. Akala ko dalawa.
Six
I
sticks.
was right.
No, parang
5
9.
sticks. Because I remember I thought, yeah, like at first, I was like, I bunot ang 5 sticks.
7 ka.
Oh, wow! Tanginang yan! Tanginang yan! Dapat todas na yan!
You're todas?
I should have, but no!
Oh, you're not?
No! Oh my God, and it's too late in the gang
Goodness
now.
gracious.
It's
Yes,
super
oh,
too
yeah.
late. Too late. This is it. Panindigan na to.
Todas. Nah.
Oh my God. I don't wanna play it. Ito na lang.
Wala, we're close. Look, we're
Ito ka
close.
nga. Ano to? Ano ba itong trespassing na to?
Wala pa yan. Wala. Tangina.
We're
Hindi
close.
mo alalahanin tong
Wait,
barahan
wait,
na to.
let me see.
Oh no, you can permit, ha?
No, I'm done.
That's it?
I'm
Yeah.
done.
Tapong buno. Sabi mo buno.
Look. Look which one.
What are you waiting for?
Bunot.
Tingin.
Ano?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know why he did
What
it.
does Buddy have?
You don't have to worry about this card. Telling you, buddy. See this one right here? See? This here? If I don't put it there, I'm dead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Naging 6 pairs. Fuck. Eto ngayon. What do y'all want? Brother man. Was my dear. But it's just another truth in life. Oh, one ball.
Yes.
Kung. So,
Oh my God.
It was just a matter of 1 ball or 5 balls. But I did puro. 7 pairs. Where's my
Ano?
3 car or 5 balls?
Oh, three cards.
Trigger to.
3 card.
5 balls.
5 balls dalawa.
Ako kailangan ko pa ito. Tangin na yung para ako. One.
Tingnan mo, kanina pa todas na
Wala.
yun. 7, 8, 9 ako.
Kanina pa ako
Dinirelease ko na
nagkamali
yung
kayo.
hindi 5.
Kung 1 bird yung
Todas
ano niya,
three na
totodas
ba?
kayo. Yes, papungin ko yun eh. Nakabunot lang ako ng bird.
Wala akong bird.
Yes, ko yung ano.
Wala akong bird.
Pero yung pinakita yung ano.
What are you talking about?
Parang may pinakita kang bird. di ba?
No, wala akong birdie. Ito talaga baraha ko. Nakabunot lang ako ng
Parang
4 balls
pinakita yung
ngayon.
one, di ba?
If I would have thrown the 5, it's you.
No, 6.
I don't have 6.
I didn't see you.
Oh,
I'm
I
waiting
don't
for
have
6 the whole time.
Yeah.
Kung 5.
Whatever.
Makakapong mo na, pero hindi ko
I don't
papungin.
need it.
Puro na.
Dude, I didn't need 5.
Mas may bunot.
Wala na. I should have thrown the
I
big
wasn't
5
balls.
balls.
It was a
I
card.
cannot use the joker anywhere here because I need it.
Yeah. You don't need it.
Ah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6.
6 is a joker.
I know that's why I cannot release
I
it.
have 7.
Can I get a 3?
Man, I actually puro
You look.
ng 7 pairs. If I would have just bought everything, I would have told us already. The fuck was I thinking, fans? But at least pumuro, fans. It's just you. Wait lang. Ako. Wow. Judges. Sino man? Si Lourdes. Man! Kundi magiging pareho tayo ng puro.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
1 ball. Franz, why didn't you tell me? At least, nakapuro man lang. Galit na galit na ako sa baraha ko na hindi napuro. Bunot ng bunot, hindi nakabunot. For only.
3.
Yeah, no.
Do your turn.
Where, oh, your kaladkadlo or no?
No.
Or just really single or single?
Single puro.
Yeah, no.
So you didn't have a pair? Oh.
What do you mean? I had 6 pairs.
Oh, you're 7 pairs too! Oh.
I
You
didn't
go.
have 1 pair. I had. Wait, hold on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. I didn't have 1 pair. I had 6 of them.
That's why. That's why we couldn't, nobody could pull.
It was 2 more in the bull, but it was 2 for. Hold on.
It was just a matter of 1 or 5 days.
No more.
I know.
Yes.
Once I saw 1 on the front, I was like, dang it, Charles is todas.
Yeah, it was just
Because I looked at his
1 or 5.
cards and he said, but he wasn't todas with the 5. I have no
Yeah.
more.
Yeah, no.
Eh,
No, I was,
don't-
I just,
It was, yeah.
I'm not gonna pull that.
He probably just puro 2 because someone just threw the 4 balls.
Who?
And someone just threw the 4 balls kanina. Well, I didn't even get to pick. Forget you.
It was that or this.
This. Ano? Bahala kayo, birding, bukin. Nainis na eh. Indecision na.
Oh,
Hindi mo sa mundo.
one ball.
Oh, wow.
I told you it was that or the other one.
No, I meant one ball was the thing earlier.
Unexpected.
Oh, may puro na.
9 car.
Oh, it was just a matter of which one am I gonna ano. Sayakap mo hanggang sa huli palagi. 6 balls. Save your joker. Nagjo-joke lang naman ako. Just
Nine
kidding.
sticks. 9 sticks.
Siguro na nanalangin ko Charles was praying earlier, please throw the ball.
May nakakita ko na dyan.
I know, I saw he was quiet.
Ay,
He was
ay,
quiet
ay,
and he already knew what was going on.
Yup.
And
It was
when
like,
he didn't say anything,
Please do it,
yeah.
please do it, please
Yeah.
do it. It's
And I
just
looked, I saw it very hard. I was eyeing it hard. Ayaw na si Tito Julius. Oh, 6 naman.
before the pick.
Oh my God. Ay, ako, joke. Wala magkalayo. 6 na, hindi mapanapon.
Dalawa joker.
Tatlo.
High.
Yes.
What is that, 8?
I
8.
8, yeah.
1.
It was just a matter of picking. See, sometimes you pick your puro and you pick the packing one ball instead of picking. Walang yan. But what are the chances of my one ball coming out? People Julius had the one ball. It was buo. He's not gonna throw it. The one is already down there. The 3 card is all dead. They both have it.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have the 2-5. So what was I gonna do with my life?
Well,
Nothing. I was
Ten.
really dead on that one, guys. Right, fans? I buried myself on that one.
Buried myself. Natawa naman ako. I
On
buried
that
also
one,
my
yeah, I
dawan.
buried myself on that one.
I, you know.
Eh, hindi yun. Putang ina, ay puro
This
todas.
part and, I know. Ang dami.
Ah,
Dami.
tangin
Yun
na.
lang.
Gagi eh.
Daming beses.
Jesus Christ.
Daming beses. Daming pagkakataon na tumawa.
Yup. I buried myself on that one.
Buried myself.
I was at the cemetery. Hukay yung
Wow. Very deep hukay.
so stupid. And it was already too late. Wala na. Ooh, sarap naman nun. Paningit na paningit. Wow.
Okay na.
4, 8, 12, 13, 14. So,
Ay, shit. May suko pala. Ano yan?
sobra ka?
Hindi, kulang. Just pick kulang.
Oh, yeah. Kung kulang ka isa, ilan ka ba?
Isa pa, may isa pa pala na. Hindi nakita.
Kumuha ka. Basta hindi sobra. Pag sobra, kukunan ko yan. Gaganunan ko yan. Floors ba yun mo?
Hindi. Pero kailangan ko.
Wala ako.
8.
Kung sobra yan, kukunan ko yan. Gaganon ako sa'yo.
Hindi, kulang ka naman. Wala na kayo tinigil.
Request.
Request. Oh, dami. 12. 2, 4, 8, 7, 12. Nako!
Luna,
Yung tinadasan.
tatlo sa'yo.
Hindi. Wow, nako, makatatlo sa'yo. Grabe! Makatatlo sa'yo. Tatlo sa'yo.
Pagkakatanong ka, tatlo sa'yo. Ang layo naman nun. Ah,
Gulay.
I know, Lo. I know.
3 balls.
Gulay, 1 second. Do I make the insurance mistake or do I respect the rule?
Get it if it's gonna make a difference on your
Was
card.
F, was F. Oh my God, Luke.
Yeah.
You already took my F,
Go
so
ahead, go ahead.
you
No,
know.
no, no, no. Let's think hard.
Think
I
hard
don't want it, I
first.
don't want it.
Was E. Was E. Oh, did you has my E?
He should have got 2 balls.
Oh, nice. Respectable, not nice.
There you go.
Now we throw Bernie Sanders.
Ah, patay. Patay. Ito ka na naman, Day. Sabi ko sa'yo, Day. Ito ka na naman. Ito ka na naman, Day. Oh, 5 balls. I know, fans. I know. Don't judge me by the book, by the cover. Just don't. I didn't know what to do with myself either. I don't know.
Who are?
Pong. Ayaw.
Wala.
No.
Kong.
No. That's 5.
Okay na.
8 sticks.
Ay, ga. Sharon. Alright, fans. Kung pinong ko yun, tay-tay ako.
Alright, go. Good.
Rod, they don't.
Don.
Yan.
Pinamulong pa.
6 balls.
Dapat pinamulong.
Guys, ito ha. Ito yung nabunot ko. Tingnan nyo katanghang ko. Tingnan nyo ha. Ayan ang nabunot ko ha. Dahil hindi ako nag-ano sa 2.
Don. Oh, shit. Three sticks.
Don't.
9 ka.
Three car.
Mm-hmm.
I can't. I didn't get that nga eh. Oh my gosh. Patay. Patay tayo. Sumakit ang ulo ko. Sex bomb. Sex bomb. Bakit ba ganito ang buhay ko? Sebentar.
Ayun. Ito pares.
Ay, eskalera ako. Oh. Eto guys ang nabunot ko. Oh. I couldn't pong it. Ito ang nabunot ko. Yan, para may eskalera ako.
5 5.
Well, what's your purong? What's your purong?
For the 5th. 2 car, 7 car.
2 car?
2 sticks.
Ah.
No, I have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I don't have it.
2 car, 7 car ang ano puro ko. Before
Ang
the
aga mo naman tinapon yung 2 car, dapat 7 car muna tinapon mo. Tapos, pinaitot mo, tinapon mo yung 2 car para todo sa eskalera. Ang ina, nabunot ko naman talaga yung ano ko, guys. Nabunot ko yung 5-6 at 8-6 ko, kapag eskalera. Kaya nagbiyak ako sa 5-6 balls. Yung mali
Kaya
talaga.
sinasabi ko, tinanong ko yung pinong ko yung 5 balls. Baka
Sino magbibiyak ng 5-6 balls?
Pero hindi ko rin.
Ang ina, nabunot ko naman pang eskalera.
You need 7?
Yeah, but I broke it. You remember 5-6 balls? Because
So
I
you
was
don't need it anymore.
not anymore because I broke it.
Should have dropped them down.
God damn it. Oh, if you did tap on that, I
You still
wouldn't.
need?
Yeah, I wouldn't have thought about I would have ponged the 2 car. I would have done all that. Man, mistake. Again, shot. Mistakes. It's okay, fans, but you saw I bunot my escalera.
Your turn to the show.
Oh, me?
Your turn.
Where?
Where do you get it?
Here.
I fans. I thought I had a chance, fans. I thought they were gonna throw the 2 car again, fans.
Oh, yun pa. Kasi ako na nagtapon pala.
Yeah.
2 tsaka 7.
Eh, hindi pa ako puro.
2 tsaka 7.
Pupungin ko na sana eh. Kaya lang sabi ko, manindigan ka siya. Mabubunot mo yung pang-eskalera mo.
Wala na.
Lo?
Wala na.
No more.
Me. No.
Wala
Never
na.
mind, I think.
Oh.
Forget it.
Which one?
S.
Ayun.
Right in front.
One only. 2.
3.
No, I only have 1.
I have 3.
I'm saying I only have. Oh,
Of
that's
course, you only
why.
have 1.
Wala na.
Wala na?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You see that, fans? Ay nanindigan to my life. Ah. Tubol. Family planning. Kay Charles birthday. It's birthday, wait lang. Kasi nakakalimutan ko lang yung mensahe dito.
One card.
Wait lang guys, wait a minute. Tingnan ko lang kung may pampangkawan. Kasi I'm not sure. Wala. Guys, scream ha, wait pa lang.
5 go!
What happened guys?
5 balls.
Tayo balls talaga. Wala.
Ay, salamat po. You didn't change your mind. Shut the purse.
How am I gonna change my mind, Lou?
Oh,
If you
yeah,
told us,
before.
oh. I'm like, if you told us, you told us, Lou. Why did you fucking wait for me? You're fucking
You didn't
rude.
throw it.
What a waste of time. You're such a waste of
You know, I
time.
was like, oh, please don't change
Wait,
your
you
mind.
Joker?
Yeah. 3. It was 4 or 5.
You're such a waste of
1, 2,
time. You
3,
make me get
4,
water and
5,
come down.
6.
For
No,
nothing.
It's here, it's here, it's here. No, this is not mine. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and
One
then-
card's not yours?
No, no. Only this. I was already 6 pairs and then I had this and then the joke.
Oh, so yeah.
I was already there.
Yeah. One card is yours. You need 1, 2, 3.
Oh, here is
Yeah,
mine.
That's it.
Oh, then
My buy high, my buy high.
Yeah.
It is.
That's
Check the
eight-
video,
that's
check the video.
8 pairs, 8 pairs.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No. Where? 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6.
7, 8.
8 pairs. I meant. Sorry, I meant that.
How are you gonna told us with 8
Yeah,
pairs?
nice. Is that not todas?
No.
Wait, no, yeah.
Lou, wait. Because
Oh,
you can't told us with
shit.
8 pairs when you have 1, 2, 3. It should only
Oh my
be...
gulay, I pay.
No, wait. No, check.
No, I can't.
1,
Unless
2.
this 4, 5. No, I'm not.
Hold on, let's see you.
I'm
No,
not.
you got.
I'm
Hold
not.
on.
Hold
What was
on.
the top one?
5 balls.
Oh, no, yeah, you can.
You can't.
No,
Kasi
you
may
can't.
5 balls ka
Yes,
na.
you have
You
5
have
balls.
ano eh.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7.
8.
Why do you have it?
1. Why you have too much cards?
How do I have 8 then?
3,
Check the video, please. Oh, you want to see?
5.
No, yeah.
No,
you
it doesn't see your cards, Lou.
can. No, but when you brought it down.
4, 8, 12, 6.
Wait
Yeah.
lang.
I had too
when you
much.
brought it down.
They have too much cards.
Yeah, you had too much cards. That's why.
No, but I could have sworn I
Wait,
counted
wait,
7
guys.
pairs.
Eto,